So you are driving your German car, maybe a BMW, an Audi, or a Volkswagen, and the check engine light pops on, but the car seems to be driving perfectly fine. You plug in your scanner and see the code P0599, indicating a thermostat heater control circuit high. Now, if you are used to older cars, you might be thinking, isn't a thermostat just a simple mechanical valve with a spring? Well, on most modern cars, especially European ones, the answer is no. This is an electronically controlled thermostat, often called a map-controlled thermostat. It is a brilliant piece of engineering where the car's computer, the ECM, can actually heat up a wax element inside the thermostat to open it sooner than the coolant temperature alone would allow. This helps with emissions and fuel economy. When you are cruising on the highway, the computer runs the engine hotter for efficiency, but if you suddenly floor it to pass someone, the computer can open the thermostat early to cool the engine down for maximum power. The code P0599 specifically tells us the computer is seeing high voltage on the control circuit, which in mechanic terms usually means there is an open circuit. Like a bridge that is out, the path for the electricity is broken somewhere. While you might not feel a difference immediately, the system has a fail-safe mode, so it might run your radiator fan at full speed just to be safe, or your temperature gauge might act a bit weird. The most common cause I see in the shop is simply a loose or corroded connector right at the thermostat housing. Water and road salt can get in there and eat away at the pins. Start your diagnosis by waiting for the engine to be completely cold. Locate the thermostat housing and pull the electrical connector off. Look for any green or white crusty stuff on the metal pins. If it looks clean, you will want to grab a multimeter. You are going to measure the resistance, or ohms, of the heater element inside the thermostat itself. You will need to check online for the specific resistance value for your car. But if your meter reads infinity or open line, it means the internal heater is burnt out, just like a blown light bulb. In that case, replacing the thermostat assembly is the fix. It is usually not a super difficult job, but you will need to drain some coolant, so make sure you have some fresh coolant ready to top it back off.